Lezi zakhamuzi zithi sekuyinsuku eziyishumi izingena ugesi. Zithi inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi eGoli City Power kanye nekhansela lendawo badlala umacashelana nazo uma ibuza ngokuqhubekayo. Ingakho ke zinquma ukuvuka ekseni namhlanje zivale umgwaqo. Imigwaqo ethintekile uProgress oxhumanisa lendawo neKagiso iKrugersdorp kanye neKagiso kanye ke nomgwaqo uCollet. Nakuba abakwasidlodlo benxuse lezi zakhamuzi kuba ihoxisa umbhikisho wazo. Kepha ke zithe uma nje sekuqala ukuba amatasa ntambama zizoqala phansi.
The problem, we don't have electricity since Thursday last week. We tried to engage the councillor, and there's no truth coming from the councillor. We are frustrated, we don't know what to do. And we don't want to do what we are doing right now. It is because of frustrations.
The CEO and some executives are still at the service delivery center, the depot in Rudaport this morning to basically give support to the teams and also ensure that the work is done. Over and above the teams that have been beefed up, we have also relaxed the rules to ensure smooth access to most of the needed material such as cable joints, mini substations, among others. The plan for today is, if all goes according to plan, will ensure at least 50% of the outages are restored by this evening.
Isikhungo esihlinzeka ngogesi eGoli sithole izingcingo ezicishe zibe yizinkulungwane ezinhlanu ezivela ebantwini abakhala ngokuthi sekuphele isikhathi esingamahora angamashumi amabili nane besebumnyameni.
Ingcali zakwaCity Power azilali buhlayo zizama ukubuyisela umbane. Ukumka kwawo kugxekwa imvula ezimandla, ucimicimi othe gqolo kunye nokubiwa kwentambo zombane ngako. UCity Power uthi ucimicimi wombane unefuthe elibi kwiziseko zayo de uyityebule imali ekwi-3.6 million rand ngemini. Le nkampani icele ukunikwa umnyinyiva wentsuku ezintathu ngaphandle kukacimicimi ukuze ilungise ingxaki zayo. I-Eskom ibingekaphenduli kwisicelo seCity Power.
So the issue of load shedding is actually taking a huge toll on our resources. It's taking a huge toll on our staff members, the people that are responding, because we've actually pulled all of them most of them from leave so that we can be able to address what we are considering a crisis currently.
Indlela neblorho zichaphazelekile nazo de ezinye indlela zavalwa. Nakubeni abenkonzo zikaxakeka eGauteng bengakhuphanga silumkiso kodwa bahleli bethe qwa.
Are still checking areas that are prone to flooding. This is around Diepsloot, Ivory Park, Alexandra, Sandton, Soweto, and Eldorado and Lenasia areas.
Usodolophu wesixeko saseGauteng uGqirha Mphophalatse uthi bayifumene ingxelo yamazibulo ngalomonakalo wenziwe zezimvula. Abahlali bazakwaziswa kungekudala.